Shubor nagaslem jong udongsan hima.
UMDC Kamau Senram upa Alvin ke Sokemi hakas ngi palai ulayalam ya menteri katanat ka koj kakya ujim ke sangma na kebenta banjurip ya kaying building kepala dep bante jong kalauba PHC bat kumjuru ya karengku PHC Haswa banhiar jurip kaladon kajing IT ya kadorkas halor kajing donkam jong ka PHC hasau semper ya kebala IT daka blok NPP jong ka sau semper bat kumjuru jong ka dangar Kabala IT daka dobas nong dangar sya menteri ha kajingalang kabalangkot bala penlong hamos neram. Hadin kane menteri rengkat UMDC lambat kiri orang bak kathan kilahyar syalau bak PHC banjurip bat sakhi ba kajing trei kaladep bat kebasa kalong satang kajing pendat transformer bat lakular sen en plino yaka. Nangne menteri ulahyar syarengku PHC kebala pli nandu usnam khat kendai spa kendai punyau ha keba ula jurip bat sakhi dala kijong kikmat ya kijing duna layu i bakane ka PHC kebala rim bat senjor kebala don kam kerki kajing maramot ha keba ki kenro hapo kila orpat lut kiet ki babon kila pat badru kiwe kijing duna bat kijing ki badan.
Now left is the electricity for which a transformer is required, and the transformer, as we can see, the work has already started, and I'm very happy that this will be completed soon and we will be able to charge this and immediately start the operation of the PHC. There are other smaller things which are required here, the gate and the canteen and small other things, but those we are hopeful that we'll be able to complete those very soon, and I look forward to the opening and inauguration of this building so that the public can start using these facilities at the primary health center. This has been and always will be the endeavor of our government to ensure that healthcare is made accessible to each and every corner of our state. So I'd like to say thanks to our local MDC, Mr. Alvin, also, and all the health department and the PWD for all the work that they're putting in, and we are really hopeful that by next month we will be able to see the operation of the primary health center. From the party and the people of Mawson Ram. First of all, I'd like to thank Almighty God, our Father, for this wonderful opportunity and this opportunity to get to meet each and every one of you on this beautiful day. And I'm very thankful to your local MDC, by Alvin, for having asked me to come here. It has given me an opportunity to meet each and every one of you and to discuss the kind of problems and the challenges that are being faced by the people of Dangar, Sosemper and of this entire area. Today I'm here as a minister in the government of Meghalaya, holding the portfolio of health and family welfare, and I have just recently taken over the Department of Health. It's not been even a week, a little bit more than a week rather, I should say, sorry. And I'm still trying to understand how the department runs. I'm still taking review meetings of many of the ongoing projects that are there, and also of the way forward for how, as a state, as a department, as a sector, that is health, we are going to move forward and try to improve upon what already we have. I must say this, that I am very thankful to your MDC, by Alvin, for having taking so much of interest. last I came to Mawsynram was during the elections when we came to campaign for Alvin Alvin, and this is quite a long time after which I'm coming back here to Mawsynram. As I said, this is for me a new portfolio, something that I've just recently taken over. But in this short time, I've been able to assess the health department and the kind of problems and challenges that are already existing. And I have already taken a lot of time to really envision the kind of direction that we as a government and me as a minister, I want to take the health department and the health sector towards in the future. And before I go to the specific points, I wanted to say this, that for me, as we all know, there is the primary sector, there is the secondary sector, and there's a tertiary sector in healthcare. And as a government, we've been working on all three for all these years, be it the primary sector, which is the ASHAs, the ANMs, and then the tertiary sector, which are the specialist hospitals which are there. And we have been working on all these three sectors to see that healthcare is made, as was mentioned in one of the in the memorandum by the people of Danga. It should be accessible. It should be in terms of many points. I'm so sorry, but I'll have to read it out what was mentioned in this. And that is actually very, very important, that we must have these kind of facilities when it comes to healthcare. The more accessible it is, and the more affordable it is and available it is, these are the ways and means by which as a government we are doing our duty to ensure that healthcare is provided to people in the proper manner. And that is our dream and our aspiration as a government, and we look at moving in that direction. But I want to give a lot of focus on primary healthcare, and that is what we'll be moving towards. All the existing healthcare facilities that are there in the state, that is something we would love to do, but that is always subject to availability of funds for us. And this is a proposal that has gone to the government quite some time back. I don't think this is a proposal which has come about now. It has been submitted to the government long time back, but there was nobody there to push it and to follow it up. But today your MDC is really following it up, and I would like to assure you that we will work together, and these kind of challenges are there for us. Meghalaya is as a state, we always struggle with the kind of resources and the funds for us, but those challenges will always remain. But what we feel is that it's always the effort that we put in, and how unitedly we all work, that is what is more important. And today, me and Alvin, with all of you, I need to ask you that all of you must support us, must support your MDC in whatever he does. And that kind of support really is the basis on which we can make all your demands a reality. So this demand for a health sub-center upgradation to primary health center is something that I will, along with your MDC, we will discuss this. And again, the important point is, this is all subject to availability of funds, but I really understand that this is very important, and accessibility is very important in terms of healthcare. And I think that this proposal, we will try to expedite it as fast as possible.
Election Henry Namanta Kapit Kapiang Jongka Constituency Kejongi. Ladam sukumen banyo banwan ringkat lang badu minister in charge badi pet ya katanat help banyo banwan ban penpau ya ki jing e ki bedai haka constituency ke jongi bat hakani ka por ni suthu ba ngiwan khanang hangni ngi sange khana hakani ka IB ru bangin yo kundu ya artli ki kunhon kata kadi napo ka group si group napo ka dangar ba si group napo ka south per ba pinla ngi ngawan lam khanang ya u minister badi pe ka tanat health ba pinyo ban penpau yang kita ki jing e ki jongpi ki bedai bat ki sub center bat ka PHC ki jongpi bat ngi suthu ba shibon ki jing e kum ki nong song snong jong ki snong ki ba pher hakane ka konstitusi ki jongi ngi yo mat kham tam ha ka bedai bat ka koi ka khia but hakane ka por idon I minister in charge of ka health ila kloi banwan ban plai khanang ka por ka koridor ka jongi banwan ban sngap I kita ki jing e ki jongpi but hakane ka por ni request yepi ba lesen akleng ke jongpi ba pin penpau kita ki jing e I khnang ba insuthu khnang ba nakaleng jo government ru kinla ban shimi kita ki step kumno ban la ban improve ha ka bedai bat kanika ka health sector